Step into a world where time stands still and automotive's history comes to life at classic car concourse, where vintage cars take center stage in a dazzling display of beauty and elegance. These events are more than just car shows. They are celebration of craftsmanship, design, and the rich heritage of automobiles. Imagine strolling through manicured lawns adorned with meticulously restored classic each, telling a unique story of bygone eras. At the heart of classic car concours is a mesmerizing collection of vintage automobiles, each lovingly preserved or restored to its original glory. From sleek sports cars to elegant luxury vehicles, these automotive gems span decades, showcasing the evolution of design and engineering. It's a walk down memory lane where the curves of vintage fenders and the gleam of chromes transport you to a time when cars were not just modes of transportation but expression of art. The meticulously restoration work on these classic cars is a testament to the dedication of enthusiasts who strive to keep automobile history alive. Every nut, bolt, and details is scrutinized to ensure authenticity, and the result is a lineup of cars that look as if they just rolled off the assembly line decades ago. The vibrant color, intricate interiors, and timeless silhouettes captivate visitors, offering a glimpse into the elegance of automotive designs for a bygone era. Beyond the showcase of vintage cars, classic cars concours are social gatherings that bring together a community of passionate collectors, experts, and admirers. It's a chance to swap stories, share knowledge, and reveal in the shared love for classic automobiles. Owners proudly display their prized possessions, eager to share the history and unique features of their vintage treasures. It's a camaraderie that transcends generations, with enthusiasts of all ages coming together to appreciate the enduring charm of classic cars. The judging process of these concours events is a meticulous affair, with the expert evaluate each car based on criteria such as authenticity, condition, and historical significance. Winning a coveted award at a classic car concours is a mark of distinction, a recognition on the owner's dedication to preserve automotive heritage. These events often feature various classes, allowing cars to compete within their specific categories, whether it's pre war classic, sports car, or iconic musical cars. The venues for classic cars concours are carefully selected, often set against picturesque backdrop that complement the timeless beauty of the automobiles. Lush green lawns, historic estates, and scenic waterfront provide the perfect canvas for these automotive masterpieces. Visitors can enjoy not only the visual feast of the classic cars but also the overall ambience of these carefully curated events. Classic Cars Concours also serve as platform for charitable adventures, with many events raising funds for worthy causes. Auctions of rare and collectible cars contribute to philanthropic efforts, adding a sense of purpose to the celebration of automotive history. It's a fusion of passion and philanthropy, where the love of classic cars become a driving force for positive change in the community. In conclusion, classic car concours are more than gatherings of vintage automobiles. They are immersive experiences that transport enthusiasts into the golden age of automotive designs. These events showcase the dedication of owners and restorers who preserve the legacy of classic cars, ensuring that future generations can appreciate the beauty and innovation of bygone automotive era. As visitors wander among the gleaming chrome and timeless curves of these vintage treasures, they embark on a journey through time where the artistry of classic cars continues to captivate and inspire.